Oh boy. Yeah, it's leaking. We got water inside. What's up YouTube, Logan here from J5 Studios, and today we are going to be finally cleaning the DeLorean. Definitely needs it. I don't think this thing's probably been cleaned in years, so I got the stainless steel kit I'm going to show you guys in a minute. It comes from DeLorean. We're going to look through, see what's in it, and see what they recommend as far as maintaining and cleaning the stainless steel on a DeLorean. So, let's get to it. Okay. So this is the stainless steel car care kit, and I believe, and somebody will correct me if I'm wrong, this was the kit. Man, is it fallout? What's up with all these freaking leaves? This is the kit that the dealership would actually give you when you bought your car, and I think they reuse even the original box to still send these out today. That may be true, that may not be true, I'm not sure. Hey, check this out. So, stainless steel shampoo, car shampoo. So, you know, this is tells you what you should do, how you should clean it, all the good stuff right here. And then here is your leather and vinyl cleaner protector. This would be for some of the interior work. Maybe even like any of the seals and stuff like that. This is what you'll use for that. And then here's your stainless steel cleaner and sealer, which I'm not really sure what this does.
Stainless steel finish and special cleaner has been developed as a one-step further. Cleans and seals, protects harmful elements, reserve. Always rubber glove, shake well, squeeze into damp cloth, rub on the surface. Go in the same direction as the grain, allow to set for 10 minutes, and rinse thoroughly for a bright shine. Polish with soft, dry cloth. Go in the same direction as the grain.
Okay, so there's some instructions here for that. And then here are some stainless steel blending pads, and I remember these being kind of a big deal. The final step of manufacturing of DeLorean stainless steel. Oh, there's a space there too. We've all been living a lie.
Brushed satin finish is applied by hand to blending pad and special type protector in this kit. This pad is used to remove light surface scratches and blend unwanted surface blemishes. For scratches and blemishes, choose the necessary authorized DeLorean dealer.
So it sounds like this is just for like any like surface scratches you might be able to get out. That's kind of like your finisher there. So essentially here's the kit. We're going to, of course, get the car washed first with some of the stainless steel car shampoo, which I mean probably is just car wash, to be honest. I mean, yeah. So, all right, let's get this baby cleaned up. Okay, now it's time to wash this thing, and I'm gonna kind of just before show some of the car. It's a little nasty for some rain last night. I kind of just wanted to show you guys the before, and hopefully the after is much better. We'll see. That's kind of the hope when you wash a car, right? You're hoping that it looks a million times better. Okay, let's wash it. We are using this shampoo. Also, this is well water, so hoping for the best. But about 1 ounce of this and a gallon of water. And I got my brush there. Let's get to it. Okay, so apparently my hose attachment is not working. So I'm gonna have to just, you see the water running, I'm gonna have to just pour it in the bucket and turn the water off and go from there. So it says to mix 1 ounce of this per gallon. That's probably way more. It's probably way more than 1 ounce.
I don't know if I'm doing this right. All right, so I think I need to dry it next. Oh boy. Yeah, it's leaking. We got water inside. So, somewhere up in here, it's freaking leaking. And I don't know why. That's all wet. My headliner's all wet. Dang it. I'm gonna have to put a towel down on this and frick. This is what I wanted to see if this. So it looks like I gotta dry it and then I use this. So let me dry it real quick. I mean, that's not too bad. This thing definitely gets watermarked super easy when doing this. You gotta wipe this thing down immediately. Okay, let's do the next part. Okay, so now we got, gosh, it's bright. We got this crap, cleaner, sealer stuff. It's saying to wear rubber gloves, which is why I got these on. Squeeze directly into a damp cloth and rub onto the surface of the stainless, going in the same direction as the grain. Allow it to set for 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Okay, it's a little damp. Now we're just going to go through the whole car and put this in. I always fold the towel because, I don't know, I just do. That stuff's kind of interesting. It definitely takes off a lot of dirt and grime. This thing was completely clean, and as you can see, pretty gross, pretty icky. Okay, time to rinse it, dry it again. I'm a little worried. I'm just gonna have to be careful, I guess, when I get to that middle part. Just trying not to get more water inside. I don't know what the heck's going on with that. Well, let's see how bad it leaked inside that time. I tried not to spray this area of the windshield. It's kind of hard. Oh yeah, it's just dripping like crazy in here. Just as bad. Okay, so guys, the body, I think it's looking pretty freaking good. Yeah, that is like, I'm gonna probably have to take this piece off and see if there's a seal or something that I'm missing around there, because it's coming in right there. So I gotta figure out what's going on up there to see why it's leaking inside. But in general, this car is looking good. Looking real sharp now. And so I'm gonna go through, I got some restore color stuff. I'm gonna like do this and do the louvers, and definitely gonna do this, see if it helps it any. And then I also gotta clean the wheels. So that's coming up next. We're not done yet, but we're getting there. We're not done yet, but we're definitely getting there. I just got a few more things I want to do. Okay, so sorry about this angle. This crap right here is like witchcraft, to be honest. So you put it on like your vinyl siding, things like that, and it'll clean it up. You can see it's this kind of gray. I'm hoping this cleans it up pretty good, and it's pretty simple. You just gotta shake it, put a little bit on a cloth, and then just spread it in from there. And it should kind of make it restore it a little bit, get some of the black back. Sometimes you got to do it a few times. Looks like it's doing pretty good actually, just on the first application of it. You kind of do that, then you kind of wipe it. Wipe it a little bit, and then these fold in too, so I can get the inside of it as well. I mean, I can already tell a big difference. Like I said, the more you do it, the better it gets. I told you, it's freaking witchcraft. Now, this isn't like a permanent fix, but you know, if you take good care of it, it can stay pretty good for a long time. And I'll compare it to the other side here in a second once I get the inside of this one done. But if you got a car with a lot of like black trim around it, highly recommend this. Okay, and just to do a comparison, this is the side that I have treated with the black. And I feel like I'm probably going to do all this trim down through here and the louvers and everything with this as well. Probably the bumper. But this is the side that I haven't done yet. And you can clearly tell. Clearly you can tell that stuff just made a huge difference. So I'm going to start doing the whole car. And this is going to take some time. But I think it's going to be totally worth it. Okay. So check out this trim looking stuff now. Looking nice and dark. Now that really bothers me because I can see all the leftover residue. But no, I mean, all that trim turned out pretty good. I'm going to have to wipe off a little bit more around here of that crap. But I even did these little trim pieces here, which turned out pretty good. This one's falling off, so I got to fix that. I did these little side louvers here. Check out the back louvers. Yeah, look at those. Those turned out real good. So, and the bottom bumper. So this thing is starting to look real good now. So I'm going to try and clean up the wheels the best I can, and that'll probably be the end of this. To be honest with you guys, when it comes to wheel cleaner, I don't really have like a go-to. Like, I'm going to use this. We're going to use this. I don't really ever have one that I like am in love with. So, you guys got anything you recommend, let me know. I'll try it. We're going to let that baby cook on there for a minute. I'm going to go spray the rest of them before I scrub it. Okay, and I bought a new brush today to try. It's Meyer Special. Kind of get inside here like this. It's missing a lug nut, or it's missing the cover for the lug nut. That's just great. Am I supposed to rinse this when I'm done? Boy, you guys are gonna get a kick out of this. So I went ahead and already put the hose up, and I realized I gotta rinse these. So I took a gallon of water, and I'm just gonna, spray it. essentially rinsing the wheel. And I'll wipe it off. These are hard wheels to clean, I can already tell you that. Like I can see some grime still inside here, like down in the bottom. I need like a super fine brush to get some of that. So I'll have to probably get a different brush to get it clean. Looks better. Looks better than that did. You know? Let me go do the other ones, and I'll wipe this down. I'm reaching the point where I'm kind of tired of washing a car. So stuff's not getting done to my best ability right now. We're just gonna do our best. Like, see all this crap here? Like, I need a finer way of getting that cleaned up. So I'll have to get a different brush. But, you know, that don't look too bad. We'll put some Armor All on the tires, or Tire Shine, whatever, and so this stuff's nice because I think you literally spray it, ensure, allow dry, and it just basically you can just leave it. It just dries itself. You don't have to scrub it or anything, you can just let it dry, and then you got a nice bright tire. So 10-15 minutes, I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna show you guys final result. All right, final product here from a day of cleaning. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I can definitely see some more of the like scratches on the stainless now, which is just something that it comes with one of those like it's like a steel wool pad like you'd use on like a kitchen counter or something like that. I didn't use that today because I'm kind of scared. I need to like watch somebody do it before I do it. And then, of course, we need to figure out what the heck's going on up here with this seal. So I think I'm probably going to end up taking that piece off and seeing what's going on behind there. Why is that leaking through? But, you know, it ain't too bad. These are still kind of drying, but it looks real good, real nice and shiny. The louvers look freaking great. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of how this turned out today. I think this was a job well done. Very successful DeLorean cleaning day. Okay guys, that's gonna do it here for this video. I feel like I need to go shower. My hands smell like Armor All, and I don't feel I feel like gross. I feel like I'm full of like covered in chemicals and crap like that. So probably gonna go take care of that now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, all that bull crap. Till next time.